Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be preparing a quick and easy snack, guacamole and fried breadfruit chips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Okay guys, so for this recipe we're going to change things up a little bit. So here we have one breadfruit and we're going to roast the breadfruit. After roasting, we're going to peel the breadfruit. After peeling, we're going to cut the breadfruit into thin slices. Okay guys, so after cutting the breadfruit into thin slices, we're just going to add a pinch of salt to the breadfruit. This is optional. If you don't want to add the salt on your breadfruit, you can fry it just as is. Right, this is how it is looking. Okay, now so next we're going to heat the frying pan and add about a quarter cup of coconut oil, and you want to ensure that you had enough because you're going to fry the breadfruit chips as crispy as possible. So here the pan is heated, so we're just going to place the breadfruit into the hot oil and allow them to become golden brown on opposite sides. So we're just going to leave them there until they're golden brown. Okay guys, so once you're frying the breadfruit, you have to pay keen attention to them because if you blink, they will burn. So you have to pay special attention to these breadfruit while you're frying them. And you want to ensure that you fry on medium to high flame because you want the breadfruit chips to become crispy. You don't want it to become soft and consume or absorb a lot of oil or soak it in a lot of oil. So you want to turn it up on medium to high flame and allow them to become golden brown. Once they're golden brown, you want to turn them on opposite sides. Okay guys, so once golden brown on opposite sides, you can now remove them from the frying pan onto a paper towel to absorb the oil from the breadfruit chips. So you're just going to leave them there onto the paper towel so that we can get rid of some of the oil from them. So this is how the breadfruit chips are looking. They're very crispy. So this is the texture that you want, right? So just a reminder, please ensure that you have your flame on medium to high when you're frying the breadfruit to get it crispy. Okay guys, so for the guacamole or avocado recipe, you need 2 ripe avocado or pear. You're going to need a knife, also a bowl and or vegetables. For the avocado, you want to ensure that they are very ripe. So you don't want them to be green. Ripe, guys. And then we're going to cut the avocado in half. After cutting the avocado in half, we're going to remove the seed from the inside and then remove the avocado from the skin. Right, look at the pear guys, it is very dry and pretty. Look at it, very nice piece of pear. So guys, at this time you can get your hands dirty, So you can go ahead and remove the pear from the skin, right? So if you prefer to use your hands, you can go ahead and do that. They work just the same. After removing the 2 avocados from the skin, what we're going to be doing now is crush the avocado. So you can use your fork to crush the avocado. After crushing, this is how the avocado is looking. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. Okay guys, so what we're doing now is mincing the vegetables to add to the crushed avocado. So moving forward, we're just going to mince all the vegetables, the onions, the sweet pepper, the tomato, and the scallion. So we're just going to mince them into very small pieces. Okay, so for the ingredients to the guacamole and the fried breadfruit chips, you can check the description box down below. I'll place them in the description box, so head on over there and check the description box for the recipe to the guacamole. Okay, so point to note, for the tomatoes, you want to remove the seeds from it because you're not going to use those. Just going to use them like these. So after mincing, these are what we're going to add: diced onion, tomatoes, sweet peppers, and a toops of scallion. And we're going to be using half of a lime. We're going to squeeze the lime juice in. So you want to remove the seeds from the lime. So you squeeze half of a lime juice in, right? Give it a stir. Very nice, guys. So we're going to add the sweet peppers, that's the tomatoes, we're going to add the scallion and the onions. And what we're going to be doing now is give it a stir. So you can always add some black pepper. So you can add about a pinch of black pepper and some salt. You can add some salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to give it a mix. And this is our guacamole, guys. It tastes so good, guys. Stick around, we're going to show you the end product. So what we're doing now is placing the plastic wrap over the container, and we're going to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to be chilled. After 30 minutes, this is how it is looking. Guys, you can smell the vegetables, the onion, the scallion giving it that kick, the sweet pepper. Guys, you don't know sweet pepper smell when you put in a sweet pepper in a good up food. Yes, so this is our guacamole. Very nice and colorful. You can see that red, gold and green vibrant colors displaying into our crushed avocado. And here you have it, our breadfruit chips with guacamole. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with a friend if you want that friend to learn how to make guacamole and fried breadfruit chips. And comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. I'm looking out for those comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at cookingwithtz_c. Please remember to send in your request for recipes that you would like us to make for you. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for the support. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.